Hey guys, it's me Courtney and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be 3 looks, 1 palette using the McGrath Mothership 5 Bronze Seduction palette. If you are interested in this actual palette and my thoughts on it, I will leave a link in the description box where I did a review and a few swatches. But if you are interested in the 3 looks that I came up with this palette, then please continue to watch. For this look, we're going to start out with Blitz Flame, sprayed with Fix Plus on a flat brush. And we're going to pack that all over the lid while carving out the crease. Then we're going to take a pencil brush with that same color and blend out the outer corner of the bottom lash line, slowly bringing it upwards towards the edge of the brow to create a wing line effect. Then we're going to take that flat brush and connect the tip of the outer line to the middle of the lid, following slightly above the curve of the crease. And then fill that empty space with the same color. Here I'm balancing out both eyes the best that I can. It's definitely okay if it's not perfect. Next, I'm going to line my waterline with a red liner. This is totally optional. Now I'm going to use this NYX glitter glue and I'm going to pat that on my inner corner and lower lash line. And take the color Rose Gold 005 and pat that where we placed the glue. Now I'm going to use a black liquid liner, and originally I was going to go for a smaller winged look, but things got a little bit dramatic really fast. So going along with the flow, I'm going to use Skin Show Divine Glow for my brow bone highlight, add Kim Tai Lionhearted Lashes, and here we are. For the next look, I'm using Extreme Aubergine on a pencil brush and dragging that along the top of my crease. And as I'm getting to the edge, I'm going to sort of start flicking that out a little bit. It's going to look a little messy until we go back in and clean it up. Now I'm going to blend the top edge of that color. Once blended, I'm going to take that same color on a pencil brush and run that on my lower lash line. I actually started to connect it to the top, but as you guys will see later, I broke it back up, but you guys can do either, your choice. Then I'm taking concealer on a flat brush to carve out and clean up my crease. I'm also going to pack that concealer on my entire lid, mostly for consistency. Once I'm done with that, I use the same glitter glue and place that on top of the concealer. And then went into the color Astral Luna Gold and placed that on top of the glue. Once I got about halfway on the lid, I went into the color VR Fire Opal, which is on the top of the first color, and basically went back and forth between the two. Here I'm lining my waterline with a deep purple, and this is what we're looking like so far. Next, I'm going to highlight my brow bone with Skin Show Divine Glow. Add a little bit to my inner corner. Strictly for lash purposes, I'm tight lining my top lash line with black. Add lashes, and done. For the final look, we're using Entrapment as our transition shade and building that color slightly. Then I'm using Disobedient and blending that in the outer corner of my lid. as well as the inner corner. Next, I'm taking Extreme Aubergine and tapping that on the inner and outer corner just to deepen the look up a little bit. And using Entrapment to blend out the top of those colors. Next, on my finger, I'm taking Bronze Blaze and placing that in the middle of the lid. And then using Extreme Aubergine to blend out the edges. Going back into Disobedient, I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. Then go in with a brown liner on the waterline. Highlight everything with Skin Show Divine Glow. And that's about it. Alright guys, that about does it for me. Hopefully this video was helpful and informative and all that good stuff. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.